It's currently 8:49 and I'm so tired to the point that I'm on the verge of crashing out. Yeah, I'm going through it. But I decided to do something different this time. So I got my Tab S11 Ultra with me and I was gonna take my Tab S9 Plus, but I was like, you know what? I can make a video out this. So that's where I'm at. I don't think I've ever done a video like this before, but I want to go ahead and do like a traveling with my Tab S11 Ultra to let you know, like, is this thing really like too big? Can you really bring this around? Like, how's the water resistance and all that? Because on the bright side, for one, shout out to my brother, because he actually got me some Tito's, because I need that right now. And two, I'm going to Punta Cana. So, I mean, we're going to a whole resort and there's going to be all that water and sand and whatever. I'm about to try to go ahead and bring this outside and see how this works out for me. So I'm going to see how it sits on the food tray. I'm going to go ahead and see like how this works out on the beach. And plus they don't have no LTE or nothing like that. So I got to go ahead and use my hotspot for this if I'm like away from the resort. I will tell you though, I am very worried about this S Pen, because like this S Pen just keep coming off, because like at least with the Tab S9 Plus, like with the case, they had an S Pen slot like right here in the back where you can go ahead and just cover and protect it. But now it's just like you can't do nothing with it. I get you can't charge on the back no more, but like you think they would still at least do something, right?
At UnitedWiFi.com, we also offer a wide selection of
I can finally relax for a minute. So I'm finally in my hotel room and I gotta say, flying with this Tab S11 Ultra so far has been weird. By using my tablet on the flight, I was on United Airlines, and by the way, they have no leg room. Like, it's basically Spirit. But I used it on that little food table and it just wasn't really no room for it, man. And that's exactly why I wanted to bring my Tab S9 Plus too, but I was just like, yeah, that's just doing too much. Let's just not do that. So it was about like a maybe 20, 25 minute shuttle or something like that here to the Hard Rock. And like, I'll use that on the shuttle too. And it was fine. It wasn't really all that because of the size of the tablet, but it was fine. Now, what's cool about this is, again, the size of the tablet. So like, I can do a lot of work because of the size of this thing, but that's also a drawback too because the size of the tablet. I do not like traveling with this 14.6 inch tablet, I'm starting to realize. And I feel like I would be a lot better off with my Tab S9 Plus that actually has a 12.4 inch screen. And also my worries about this S Pen, yeah, I knew it wasn't crazy because it's literally starting to come true. So when I actually got off my flight, I noticed that the S Pen was actually on the floor of the actual airplane. So it came off and I didn't even realize it. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Like, this is so stupid. It just comes off so easy, and that's a big problem for me, man. So I don't like that. And like, there's nowhere to put it on the case or nothing. It's like an official Samsung case. Tab S11 Ultra, I mean, it works, but at the same time though, I can't even imagine if this was like the trackpad version, which ain't even out yet. But I don't know, man, there's plenty of water outside, so I guess we'll see how this thing work out tomorrow when I go ahead and bring it to the beach or whatever, so we'll see.
Sky.
Morning, man, from Punta Cana. It's 9, what is it right now? 9:11 right now. Bro, I gotta say off rip, like just waking up to that is like one of the craziest things I ever seen in my life. And I don't know if I'm gonna see that again. Actually, nah. I gotta see that again. Cause literally you don't get that in Milwaukee, bro. Like that type of view, like with the palm trees and everything like that, man, you can't beat that, man. But I'm finna get me some food in a minute. So like I got my Tab S11 Ultra over here and I'm about to go and get some work done on this real quick, get some emails or whatever, and then try to get some breakfast. What, man?
You editing?
Huh?
Editing? I'm about to go eat.
Are you about to over there at the market? All right. Hey, you eat by yourself? Damn, my brother kind of snuck up on me. I didn't even expect it. You have like orange juice or something? Yeah, I'll do orange. Orange? Orange or something. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Man, when's the last time I've been up this year? Thank you, appreciate it. Oh, damn. What did they put in this thing, bro? Not gonna lie, they snapped that orange juice, bro. That look nice. You at the gym?
Huh?
You at the gym? I'm real happy that I could be out here with y'all, man.
Yeah, me too, man. Hope you really enjoy yourself.
You want to see something crazy? This is exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. This is like my third time dropping this thing now, bro. I swear to God, I'm so dead ass when I say that. I'm scared that I'm not even gonna be able to bring this thing back home because I feel like I'm gonna lose it before I get back home. All right, so I'm sitting outside my Tab S11 Ultra over here. Don't mind the dirt on my face. I literally just came back from an ATV excursion. But I was wondering to myself, what would happen if I went ahead and dunked my Tab S11 Ultra in there for a second? Now, don't get too excited now. This ain't gonna be back in the days when I was like freezing, Galaxies and all that, and Coca-Cola or whatever. Now, I am way too scared to do it with the case cover over here. And as a matter of fact, I think I already got water damage with this. But I mean, it has IP68 water and dust resistance, so shit, I don't know. Maybe if we just, I don't know, by accident. Oh snap. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Check charger / USB port. All right, that's normal. I'm not really gonna trip about that because it's supposed to do that, so we're good. Give this thing some volume. I mean, sounds good to me. I mean, the screen's over here touching itself because it's wet, and that's just normal when you get a screen wet. But I mean, if you just look at this, I mean, it's doing fine. It's literally doing fine, bro. Now with that tester with this over here, hell no. Like I said, I already think I got water damage to it, but this should be fine. But at this point, I will see y'all tomorrow when I leave. Ain't this great? My flight got canceled because the government shut down and America just basically sucks right now. So cool. Now I'm stuck over here with my Tab S11 Ultra. So I'm just chilling here in my hotel room. They put me in another hotel. I forget what it's called, Ocean something out here in Punta Cana. It's actually not a bad hotel. Check this out. So I know this is like off like from what I actually doing with the whole tablet thing, but check this out. So my parents got a way better room than me. They put us in separate rooms. But as you can see here, I got a bathroom, I got the toilet, I got the tub, which is not outside like it just was. And then now you just walk in here and you got all this, bro. Yeah, that's legit for sure. We got a Samsung TV, we got my Tab S11 Ultra, and then we got all this over here. We got a couch, we got a table and whatever. Okay, cool. And basically now I just gotta hop on my tablet for a little bit, get some work done, and then I just gotta go sleep because we gotta get up at like 8 in the morning. So I'm so excited. I'm not. Gonna be a long day tomorrow, bro. But look, I even got some Dominican pesos over here, some bills. I even got some change over here too. I guess scratch that. We're going out to eat, so I'll be back to that.
The number you have dialed has calling restrictions that have prevented the completion of your call.
We're by a pool that's got, it's like, look like a kiddie pool, slides and stuff.
I'm by, yeah, that's where I'm at. All right, so I'm back in the room, and then it was all right, but now I can finally get some work done up on here. I am tired and it is 12:08 and I gotta be up at 7 a.m. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm being sarcastic again. So with that being said, I'm gonna go to sleep, man. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Hopefully. Oh yeah, and I should probably add, I am on now day 5. And as you can see right here, I did charge this once and we are on 67%. So, I mean, that's how the battery life lasted me so far. So, I mean, it's pretty decent. All right, so unexpected, but check this out, right? So I was over here trying to plug in my Xbox so I could watch some YouTube before I go to sleep, right? But look at this. So I was looking for an outlet and I noticed there's no outlets around the TV. And the only outlet that is over here is behind the TV, which the TV's already plugged into. Ain't I glad that I brought my Tab S11 Ultra, 14.6 inches. Obviously it ain't as big as like what, this 55-inch TV or whatever, but I mean 12.4 inches is on my Tab S10 Plus, so I mean it's better than that. Or my bad, it wasn't even a Tab S10 Plus, it was a Tab S9 Plus. But yeah, that's clutch. So at least I can watch something with this big tablet over here. Looking at my phone and I can see my flight already got delayed by an hour. So I mean, yeah, I can already see where this is going. And it's only like, what is it, 10:13 right now? Alright, so I finally made it back to the crib after a whole day of just being stuck in another country. Let's go and talk about the Tab S11 Ultra. So after all that traveling, using this Tab S11 Ultra, hopping on the plane, going through the airport, doing all this stuff, like just going around the resort and whatever, what happened? So this Tab S11 Ultra has surprisingly been better to me than I thought. Now, I will say though, I was right about the size of this thing, bro. Like that didn't even change. Being in the airport with this thing, that was cool, but it kind of became a problem when I was on the actual flight. I was on a United flight and the actual tray itself was a little bit too small for like the whole book cover keyboard and the tablet itself. So yeah, I mean, it was like, it did the job. It was just kind of hanging off the tray though, like you can kind of see when I put this video here in the editing right now. So that's kind of what I was talking about with this Tab S9 Plus over here, which I could just go ahead and bring this around because it's 12.4 inches, sorry. We're talking about a 12.4 inch tablet versus a 14.6 inch tablet. So yeah, this is gonna be a lot more portable if you're going ahead and just flying or whatever. So like if you're just flying, like maybe the Tab S11 Ultra ain't the best for you, but maybe just get like a Tab S10 Plus or something. But I think my biggest problem with the Tab S11 Ultra and traveling is got to be this thing, bro. I hate that Samsung did this. Samsung made the stupidest decision ever by not letting us just have the option to go ahead and just put the S Pen here on the back cover like we do with the Tab S9 Plus, and I'll show you that right now. So I had an issue where, like you saw it in the video too, where this S Pen just kept getting knocked off. Like everywhere I go, like I almost lost this thing, and I don't know how I didn't lose this thing. Especially with how clumsy I am, which I'm gonna be embarrassed to say this, but I almost lost this camera for the second time now. Or is it the third time? This is almost the third time that I lost a camera period with traveling. So yeah, I almost lost my DJI camera. But look at this, like with the Tab S9 Plus, this is smart. With this, I can't put it right here. Like it just has to stay at the top and like there's no other spot to put it. So I'm just screwed. I don't know how iPad people do it, but like this right here, that don't make no sense. And I almost lost my S Pen like maybe at least 4 times. Like I dropped it on the plane floor too. And you know, when you drop something on the plane, sometimes you have turbulence and stuff. So like if you don't realize it right away, it could just roll all the way back. Like I dropped my phone on the plane too and it kind of went back like 2 seats, bro. But this thing, like if you're not paying attention, it will get easily knocked off and you're probably gonna lose your S Pen. So you better find you a case where you can go ahead and put the S Pen somewhere. So besides the S Pen in the airplane and also I guess the shuttle too, because it wasn't really that comfortable to use in the shuttle. Traveling with this thing was pretty decent, man. I can't even hold you, all right? So like, for example, like when my flight got canceled to Chicago because the whole government shut down, and by the way, they literally just opened the government up yesterday. So yeah, there's that. And then like just sitting down and actually doing work with this thing and like, you know, like for example, when I was at the whole, they call it a train stop, but it's not a train stop. It's like a golf cart or something. They pick you up on the resort. Like when I was working over there, that was cool. Overall though, I'm gonna say like just for the airplane experience and whatever else, I'm still taking this. So like when I go to Vegas, I'm definitely taking my Tab S9 Plus because I'm going for CES in January. So y'all see me there. And that's pretty much it for just traveling with this Tab S11 Ultra. The battery life has been pretty good with the whole traveling and whatever. Like, I had to charge this thing once throughout the whole trip and it lasted me, so I'm happy. The water resistance works perfectly fine, and like, I never really got to get to the beach. Well, I did get to the beach, but I didn't want to bring my tablets, so I mean, yeah, we didn't really get to that. We have beaches in my city though. Like, I live next to Lake Michigan, so if I really wanted to test the sand or whatever else, I could just do that later. But for right now though, bro, I'm finna go and get up out of here, so y'all be smooth. I appreciate you for coming through, and that's gonna pretty much be it. And I've been using this thing for 2 months now, so you stay tuned for the full review. I know it's been over a month now, but I wanted some more time with this, and I'm good now, so I'll drop my review soon. Appreciate you for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really like it, go and subscribe, or go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Santec on Instagram and X, and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. But for right now though, you be smooth. I'm gonna get up with you later. Peace out.